I made this from a simple template and pattern using premium leather. Every step is cut and stitched by hand, and this is the process behind it. Hey, I'm Chase Shield. I'm going to take you through the process of how I make my sneaker wallets. We're going to be making the Air Jordan 1 Off-White Chicago. So I'll take you through step by step in making the pattern, to material selection, stitching, and then the final construction. So the first step is using the sneaker wallet templates that I've made. So I'm going to go around and pattern each individual piece onto cardboard, choose the material, and cut all the materials out. So we've finished tracing out all our panel pieces using a scratch awl. Now we're going to just use a pencil and go around and just connect all the dots, and then from there cut all the pieces out. So now that we've done the pattern, it's time to put all the different panel pieces on the leather that we're going to use. That's all the red tumbled leather done. That's it. Got our black, our white, our red, and a little bit of veg tan. Just double check, got everything. One thing I did forget is the base template for stitching all the upper pieces onto. Now we're going to get to cutting out all the pieces. Start off cutting the veg tan. The veg tan pieces done, they're so damn small. With the straight inserts, I use a scalpel and a ruler. But with the panel pieces, I'll just go around with scissors. I used to use a scalpel for everything, but I find you have more control using scissors. That's that one done. So we'll do the inserts. I've got a fresh scalpel blade, just making sure I put a bit of pressure on the ruler. Don't want it to slick slightly. You know, just doing that off-white swoosh is always a bit tricky, especially going around that curve. So now we're going to get on to putting all the panels onto the front part of the wallet. Line up the pattern. I'm going to go really lightly with this scratching awl where all the panel pieces meet. Glue that, and then the same for top eyelet piece. Now we're going to put these in place. Do the two veg kangaroo to start off with. Front eyelet here, and just doing light coats. We're not going to go right to the edge because the final stitch is the one that will go right to the edge, the one that goes all the way around here to connect all the panels together. So I'll just leave it there. I'll do the second stitch on this side. I'm pulling all the stitching thread through to the side that won't be sewn, and then just burning them all down. Or you can just glue it as well on this side. Now we're going to mark in the off-white swoosh. First we're going to mark out where the zigzag's going to go. Just going to put a bit of glue here, then around here. Done. Now I've glued the back of the upper. I'm putting this to separate backing, and then I'll stitch the top double stitch eyelet panel. That'll keep everything secure at the top and also hide all these stitch lines. And now we're just going to place it on. Doesn't have to look perfect because we're just going to go around, stitch top eyelet piece, and that'll keep the lining in place, and then we'll go around and trim all this excess off. But once we stitch this, that's all the upper side done. Now we're going to glue midsection piece. I'm just going to glue both sides. Okay, I'll leave that to dry. Okay, so now we're going to glue in the inserts. So now that we've finished stitching, we're going to punch all the eyelet holes and then glue all 3 panels together and then do the final stitch around the outside. Add the vinyl and then it's completely done. Because there's so many layers for this, I'm just going to hand crank all the way around. Does take a bit of effort to get the needle through. I'm just making sure I get a clean and consistent stitch. Hand stitching can also be an option. Done. So now we're going to go around and cut all this excess leather off. Now place down the vinyl, got the iron on. I'm just pressing down lightly to start off with and then gradually putting more pressure. Now I'm going to add a clear polyurethane coating to the vinyl. And the same to the back part. So here we have it, sneaker wallet, Air Jordan 1 Off-White Chicago. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, all of that would be much appreciated, and I'll see you in the next video. Want to give the sneaker wallet a go yourself? The PDF pattern is now available at chaseshield.com, or you can grab it through the link in the description.